Posh and premium student living comes alive at Theory U District, Seattle, an accommodation made for a seamless uni experience. Choose from lovely studios, en-suites, or 1 to 5 bedroom apartments to get a cloud-like bed, cozy workspace, stainless steel appliances in your sleek kitchen, and an in-unit washer-dryer to breeze through laundry days. Level up your study sessions with free high-speed Wi-Fi, de-stress in the fully equipped gym, or get yourself a quick caffeine fix from the coffee bar. Bond with your stay besties by playing rooftop games or enjoying movie nights on the massive video wall over the weekends. This ideal location places you just a quick drive away from the University of Washington and Seattle Pacific University, so you'll be on time, all the time. Plus, you can travel seamlessly with the buses at Northeast 52nd Street or University Way Northeast, or via the U District train station. So, book your perfect student haven at Theory U District in Seattle through amberstudent.com. Now,